Okay, let's put this all together. So we're gonna take these two reactions, we're gonna predict our products, write our balanced equations, and get down to our net ionic equation. So let's start off with our lead 2 nitrate and our copper 2 chloride. All right, so when we go to predict our products, let's see what these are made of. So I have lead 2. Actually, here, I'll change colors for you. So my ions here, I have lead 2 and nitrate. Okay. Here I have copper 2 and chloride. Okay, so those are the ions that these are made up of. So now we're going to pair up the opposite ions. So I'm going to pair up lead 2 with chloride and get PbCl2. Open parenthesis, or I'm just going to put empty parentheses there. And then copper 2, I'm going to pair up with that nitrate. Okay, then I go to my solubility rules. My solubility rules are going to tell me that this is my solid and that's aqueous. Okay? Then I need to balance the equation. Well, let's see here. I have 1 lead, 2 nitrates, 1 copper 2, 1 copper 2, 2 chlorides. We're good. We're already balanced. So let's go ahead and write our total ionic equation. So there's our lead 2 plus. I had 2 nitrates, so I have 2 of those there. I have 1 copper 2. And I have 2 chlorides. Okay, and then my product side, my lead 2 chloride is going to stay together because it's an insoluble solid. I'm going to get copper 2. And I have 2 nitrates again. Okay, so my lead 2 reacted and my chlorides reacted. So my net ionic equation is going to be my lead 2, my 2 chlorides, giving me my lead 2 chloride solid. Okay? So what I'd like you to do is I would like you to take a look at this one right here. Look at B. Pause the video and see if you can figure out B on your own first. Okay, so if you did B correctly, with your balance, you would have had 2 sodium phosphates plus 3 magnesium sulfates, giving you 3 sodium sulfate, and then magnesium phosphate as your solid. Okay? So there's our conventional or molecular equation. Now let's take a look at our total ionic equation. So I have 3 sodiums in my formula and a coefficient of 2, so I have a total of 6 sodium ions, 2 phosphate ions, 3 magnesium ions, 2 sulfate ions. So there's my reactant side. Now my product side, I have 6 sodium ions again, 3 sulfate ions, and then my solid. Okay, so phosphate reacted, magnesium reacted, and I made my magnesium phosphate. So now my net ionic equation is my 2 phosphates plus my 3 magnesiums, yielding my magnesium phosphate solid.